Hello all, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, based on wherever you are. Today, we'll talk about a very small change, but a pretty important change. So, it'll not take much time. So, if you're here, just stay here for maybe 2 minutes. So, with Business Central 2024 Release Wave 1, Microsoft made a small change in the app.json properties of your extension, which helps partners who needed some feature in Business Central app.json, which was not available till now. So let's quickly dive into it. So this is a kind of a temporary extension that I'm working on. So if you go to app.json till now, what happens is for certain reasons, especially maybe for dependencies or for other reason, if we wanted to add certain comments, or let's say if we are using multiple ID ranges and we wanted to kind of add a comment into it, that was not possible, right? So if I say, okay, this description or whatever, you'll see that comments are not permitted in the JSON files. So this was not possible till the previous version. In this version, Microsoft have made that possible. Now, let's quickly walk through how you do that. You open your app.json. On the ribbon, bottom ribbon that you can see here, you will see the file language here. You need to change the language model. So click on it and open this place where you can choose different language models. Rather than searching for it, you can just start typing JSON. And now you will see a new option, which is JSON with comments, which is a file type of JSON C. If you choose this, now I'll be able to add comments into it. That this description is used for whatever, is used for testing purpose. And then let's say this one, this range is for, let's say, XYZ PTE, and if there is another range that you can specify. So with this small change, it kind of makes your life a little bit simpler, where you can then now start adding comments into your app.json. Now, thank you for the time. If you are still here, do like the video if you think this is important. Do share it on social media if you think other developers and partners should know about it. And if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because there will be a lot more videos coming up on this series and other topics that we'll be covering in future. Till then, have a great day, keep learning and keep sharing.